Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. Halloween is around the corner and I thought I'm gonna do a super easy Halloween makeup look tutorials. I was trying Snapchat filters and I came across few that I thought, why not to recreate those? Because they looked fun and they look kinda, easy to recreate and actually wear in a real life for a Halloween. Do you guys still use Snapchat? I asked this on the Instagram poll already, and most of you, if you follow on Instagram, you've seen this already, that you don't really use Snapchat anymore, use it only for filters. I do exactly the same. I don't really post on the Snapchat anymore. I just check the filters and I use a filter and then I would post that on the Instagram. Anyway, so I've seen this filter, just gonna take a quick selfie. This one, so I thought I'm gonna recreate this, and then another one I really like. This looks like easy to recreate. So this is exactly what I'm gonna do, and we're gonna compare later the Snapchat picture with the makeup that I did. So I think I'm gonna start with a skeleton one, as I do really like this. We're gonna start from applying the foundation and all. I'm gonna keep my eyebrows, as I did my eyebrows already, as you can see. I'm gonna prime my face as I always do. I'm gonna go with my foundation that I normally use, and later we're gonna brighten up the under eye area. I'm just going with NYX Skin Stop One Stop in Natural. I'm taking the Revolution Crease Proof Concealer in C1. This one, guys, I did the review before, a little bit goes a lot, so I'm gonna try to use just a tiny bit. Right. I'm gonna go and contour face with a cream contour to begin with, so I'll use the Anastasia contour cream kit in there. I'll use this color in here, and we're just gonna go like this. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this cream contour like this, set everything with a powder, do the smoky eye look, and then do the rest. So for the eyes, I think I'm gonna go with Makeup Revolution Dana ALTUWAIRSH eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use the brunette color, basically browns and blacks. I'm gonna start with dark brown color. I'm gonna go with this as our transition color. Alright, let's do the brows now, and then they can do the falsies. So the brows look super intense and dark. So I think for the brows, I'm gonna go with NYX Fill and Fluff in a color Espresso. Okay, so I took the Revolution Flawless for palette and the black color and added on the mobile lid because I think it's not dark enough. So for the top of the eyebrows, I think I'm just gonna go with their Mocha from Dana ALTUWAIRSH palette. Okay, let's contour this part and later we're gonna clean this off. I'm gonna go with first with brown and then the dark brown. Not trying to overly blend or anything, as I want it to be like super easy. So basically one big line and kind of blend down a bit. For the lips, I'm gonna go with NYX Lingerie in Honeymoon. So while the lips are drying, we're gonna do the nose. Let's do the lips. We're nearly done. We just need some falsies as the Snapchat filter has super huge lashes on. So I'm gonna go with Contest Beauty lashes in the style Cheeky. My lashes are on and I added a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line as well. I just used the Primark's 3D Lash Effect Mascara. And that's it, I think. It was super easy to create this. I mean, I didn't go too much into detail on this part because I think I'm looking at the picture of the Snapchat filter that I took. It's more intense in here. And obviously because it's a Snapchat filter, it's super like identical on both sides. My sides are not that identical, I think. It doesn't mesh so precisely. Plus I wasn't going extremely precise because this didn't took much time. As you seen, guys, it was super easy. So hope I inspired you to create Snapchat filter inspired looks as well. If you're gonna do so, please tag me in your post as I would love to see those. So what you think of this? Alright, I'm gonna clean this quickly off and we're gonna try another Snapchat filter. As you can see, I cleaned the makeup off, so now we can recreate this second Snapchat filter. Basically gonna do my routine makeup as a base. And then we're gonna do smoky eye, because looking at the picture, it looks exactly the same, or at least similar looking smoky eye. So we're gonna try and recreate that one. If at the last minute you decide to go to the Halloween party or something, this could be the look, because so far it looks like super easy, plus you can add it on top of your normal makeup. By the way, because I have loads of redness in here, I'm gonna start with the Revolution Pro Ultimate Coverage Crease Proof Concealer. Just cover up the redness. And then I'm gonna go with a foundation over top of that. I think let's do the eyebrows first. I'm just checking the picture, and from the picture that I took, it looks like the eyebrows once again are very full and fluffy, so I think I'm gonna go with Revolution Pro. Let's set the foundation and then we can create the smoky eyes. So I'm gonna use the same powder I used before to set up the foundation. So I'm going with a thicker layer under the eyes as I'm gonna be applying the shadow and I don't want any fallout, so we can easily wipe this off later. Alright, let's do the eyes. So I'm gonna go this time with the Revolution Flawless 4 palette and just gonna create the smoky eye look like we did before. So I'm gonna go with a dark brown and then with a black. Leaving eyes the way it is just now. Gonna wipe off the excess powder. So for contour, I'm gonna use Revolution Contour and Glow. Let's do the eyes. Let's start with Revolution Renaissance liner. Basically what we have to do is draw the triangles. Alright, so I did like a little stencil thing, and now we can fill this in. I think I didn't do asymmetrical, but then I am not a filter, you know. Alright, let's do the top part. So the top part, the actual finish of the triangle is in here, and it goes all through the mobile lid. And then the dot on the top again. So I'm coming back with the Flawless 4 palette. I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow. I'm gonna go all over my mobile lid to kind of merge this that we just draw with a liner and just set it up because it's gonna crease for sure. So I have hooded eyes. Let's draw this a little hard on the nose. So I'm gonna go with Revolution Artist Precision liner for that. Gonna fill this in with a grey color. I'm gonna add a little dot of the white liner. This one is by Revolution Pro. For the lips, I think I'm gonna go with them by Makeup Revolution, the new matte satin lipstick. So to line the lips, I'm just gonna go with a black. This one is the 2-timer by NYX. I'm gonna overline lips and kind of do the Joker smile. We just need the lashes and we are done. So for lashes, I'm gonna go with the same as I used before. So the Contrast Beauty FAUX MINK lashes in that style. Cheeky. And the lashes are on. I fixed the lips a little bit because I thought it was a little bit too bright, and in the picture, I mean the Snapchat filter, the lips is a little bit darker. So what I did, I took a brush, the eyeshadow brush, and this black color from the Flawless 4 palette and just went on the outer corners, like kind of outlined the lips with the black eyeshadows. I actually like this makeup look more than the skeleton, and I thought that the skeleton was super easy to do as it was, but this a breeze. I think the hardest part was maybe applying the lashes. The longest, not the hardest, but the longest I took was to apply the falsies. I'm gonna quickly take a picture on my phone. I'm gonna insert it in here so you guys can compare the Snapchat filter with the picture I just took. So what do you think? This is a finished look. So what do you guys think? Which look you prefer better and which one you would go and recreate? At first I liked better the skeleton, but now I like this one way much better, and it was easier and faster to create, although the skeleton was honestly super easy to create. And actually both makeup looks could be created on the top of a makeup that you are already wearing, so it would be a perfect last minute makeup look for Halloween party. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed watching this video, and what you would like to see next up on my channel. And if you're gonna go and recreate these looks, don't forget to tag me in your pictures. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I shall see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have a good day, guys.
Happy Halloween.